Now, India's latest GST overhaul aims for benefit of the common man.
The government has termed the latest tax cuts as GST 2.0. So, what are the essential goods you can look forward to purchasing at your nearest store?
A key part of the reforms is, of course, the exemption of many essential goods and services from GST, moving them into the 0% tax category. This covers food items, medicines, education supplies, insurance, and even certain defense and aviation imports. Ultra-high temperature, milk, pre-packaged and labeled paneer and all Indian breads such as chapati, roti, paranthas have all been exempted.
बजट काम हो जाएगा, घर का भी काम बजट काम हो जाएगा। हम लोग दूसरे में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं और कुछ इफ खाने पीने की चीज़ें कम हो गई तो इट विल बी बेनिफिटेड 100%। ऑयल में, घी में भी बेनिफिट होगा। तो गुड है, इट्स अ गुड मूव बाय द गवर्नमेंट।
September 22nd will lower rates on essentials such as butter, ghee and paneer, as well as household goods like soap, hair oil, shampoo and conditioners. Now, if passed on to the consumer price index tracked goods and services could see relief. For the latest, our principal correspondent Disha Shah gets us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Much needed relief to a common man. The essential supplies that you use on a daily basis is set to become much cheaper from 22nd of September this year, as the GST on that has been reduced significantly. So for example, your basic essential items like the shampoo, hair oil, toothpaste, toothbrushes, all will be now taxed at 5% compared to 18% that you used to pay earlier. And of course, the other necessary and essentials like the butter, ghee, all of those will be taxed at 5% again compared to 12% earlier. So this will bring a much needed relief to a common man who makes their household budget on a monthly basis. So now they have to pay a little less for all of these basic essentials.